Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mayor English. Today is day 84 of my English speaking challenge, and today I am going to share with you about my room. I choose today topic is my room for my English speaking practice because it's a simple topic and it is also it's a beginner level topic. Sometimes I choose very simple topic just because of that, so that I can practice in English and I can do better things. That's why I choose simple topics. And also, if you are choosing simple topics, it's not matter because your main focus is improving English, not focus on topic. That's why I choose the topic is my room. So let's uh, start. My room is very clean, and my room is in big in size. And in my room, there is a bed, a chair, and a table. Like I arranged my all things in my room, and my room is very beautiful. When I when I stay in my room, I feel very comfortable and peaceful. Sometimes in my room, I'm doing random things like wasting my times, scrolling the reels, watching random videos on YouTube, and sometimes I also used to practice my English, but it's a very little time because I don't think so in these days I am practice too much on my English practice, and that's a very big fault for me. I think that's why I am not able to be fluent till now because I am not practicing my English perfectly. But I think I have to first complete my 90-day challenge so that I can say that yes, I am doing my English speaking practice. Now I have to focus on everything. So after 90 days, I will focus on reading skill as well as some amount of writing if possible. And I have to also look into the grammar parts so that I can do some mistakes, not too much mistakes. I think I got distracted from my topic. Uh, it's happening many times when I started any topic. After some times, I got distracted from topic and I switch in that. But I don't stop my speaking practice that time also because my clear goal is speaking, not focus on topic. So if I got distracted, I don't care about that because my main focus is speaking. And if I am talking honestly, then mostly I distracted with my topic, and I am talking the random things between selected topics. So now let's back to the topic, like my room. My room size in maybe 10 by 10 square feet, and in my room there is a water cooler so that I can feel the cold air because in Delhi NCR region there are too much hot. Like here where weather condition is also harsh. Like the right now our temperature is going above 45, degree above. That's why I choose to buy a cooler and take out. In my room, color is very beautiful. I don't have idea that what exact color is, but it looks like in some yellow, pink types. And if I am talking about my books and stuff, and all things are present in my room only. And recently, uh, I come to the my room because from past 20 to 30 days I am living with my friends. That's why I am not able to come to the my room. But after that I come to the my room, I feel very happy. It looks like awesome. And I spent more time in rooms. Actually, I wa- my nature is that I love to walking, I love to traveling, or I love to go for outside area in evening time. But due to this area, there is no park near my room. That's why I am not able to go anywhere, and I spend lots of time in my room. I mostly watch random movies on YouTube, watch random videos on YouTube, or scrolling the roads. It looks like my habit is uh, gone in this way. That is, I have to change. I want to change these things, but right now I am not able to focus on both of these. That's why maybe it's getting problem for me. And I know this habit is very harmful for me because it takes too much time, and I am not able to do any extra activities like I'm not doing anything for my mental health, for my personal growth. So uh, I have to overcome all these challenges within this month only, so that from next month I can focus on my work as well as my English practice. So that's it for today, guys. See you in next video.